Gramps, Gigi.
The National Weather Service has issued a heat advisory for the entire United States. Heat advisory remains in effect until further notice. What? Temperatures up to 3. The SCP Foundation has broadcasted this message to warn you about an update of the heat advisory that was issued by the National Weather Service a few moments ago. The SCP Foundation was required to issue this alert due to a meteorological event occurring outdoors. All normal programming has been suspended during this event. This event is caused by light emitted by the sun and reflected by the moon. Upon contact with sunlight and moonlight, living organisms turn into a slimy substance. A list of instructions will be given shortly. The following instructions are vital to your safety. Please remain indoors at all times and avoid all visual light. If you are attempting to travel outdoors, you must fully cover your body with several layers of protective clothing to avoid the light touching your body. Lock and secure all entrances, and do not go outside. Do not attempt to investigate all sounds and individuals from outside of your shelter and home. All requests from individuals wanting to enter your home or shelter should be refused and unaccepted. Shut off all lights. Remain as quiet and calm as possible. Do not interact with anyone outside your shelter and home. Do not make eye contact with anyone outside your shelter and home. If one of your family members is not present, do not investigate. They might have turned into one of the crew.